Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but we are here today at High Rock Dam. We're gonna see what we're gonna catch. Stay tuned, and we're gonna, I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna see if anything's biting. To be real, I'm actually here for some striper, but so we're gonna try to see if we don't catch anything. So starting off already, I mean, we just got here, so I'm gonna start off with this little swim bait and go on from there, I guess. So stay tuned. We're gonna make our way down into the woods. Alright, everybody, so if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe, and I mean, if you guys enjoy what I do, if you guys are into the outdoor stuff, fishing, you know, yeah, hit that like button. One time for the one time. So the boys are gonna push forward to the spot. I'm gonna just cast around as I'm working my way through here. So let's see if anything's biting. Whoa, y'all see that? Something just jumped right there. Alright, nothing here. To the next spot. Alright guys, so the next spot. This shit looks wet, muddy. Oh my god. Bro. Nothing. Be careful, not watch my step. Mess around. Head first, no helmet. You know what that means. ER. Oh, Chris got one on. Flat. That's that cat. It's the cat. That's that meow. What you got? Yeah, the catfish? Hell yeah, that's that meow. Chris said he got one on. What's that? Oh, that's a cat. Meow.
So I'm on the string.
Oh God, look at that, caught me one. Hey. It ain't the biggest though. It's something. We need a bigger though. Striper time. Oh, missed him again. Oh my God. That thing, I'm gonna pull my bait down. $16. I don't know. 14. Got another one, Chris. Yes, sir. It's small. Small. Sorry. There you go right there. Humra. Oh, that rock was slippery.
He's getting all fours.
That boy all the way over here. Got one. It's a white bass. It's a good size one. There you go, guys. Another one. Not too shabby. Cause that striper. Bro. Y'all see that? Got another one. Small guy. Oh, bruh. That one came off. Alright, so I'm on this big ass boulder. But I'm gonna get off of it now. Hopefully I don't eat it. So just in case for y'all entertainment, if I do eat it, don't laugh. Well, y'all can laugh. I don't give a damn. But I'm about to get on all fours to get off of this rock. Right? Thought. Just in case y'all want to see what I'm stepping on. Oh, that thing wobbly. Yeah. Alright guys, so that doesn't look like I'm doing too bad. We pulled up, a couple minutes in, a couple casts, and a few fish. So all in all, I'm doing pretty good, you know. So a bunch of little small white bass, but I'm actually after some big ones or hybrid stripers or something. And here to kill some time before I pick up my daughter from school. So nice and breezy today. So let's get to it again. So, lost a lot of line, so I can see. Can't cast too far anymore. About to make an emergency stop to this gas station, see if they got a roll of line to throw on for temporary. So, guess we're walking back to the car. Ain't catching nothing at this little spot. Or that bottom over there. So, yeah.